A vinyl pool is typically a pool that is created out of a shell that's been made out of concrete or metal panels that is then covered with a pool vinyl lining. The pros of vinyl pools are they tend to be the lowest initial investment upon installation, their maintenance is fairly low, and you can customize them on a small scale based on picking different vinyl colors. The cons of vinyl pools are that the vinyl liners usually have to be replaced every 5 to 9 years. They sometimes have seams that need to be maintained and dealt with over time. And last, the steps on vinyl pools are either an unattractive white plastic or covered in a vinyl product, but that is the area where the vinyl fails first and often needs replaced more frequently than the rest of the pool. When it comes to repairs for vinyl pools, it often requires replacing the entire liner because it is very difficult to cut part of a seam and then rematch without a terrible patching job. So in order to repair a vinyl pool, it often requires the full liner replacement.